Amana Heat Pump Service, Toronto. If you're a homeowner in Toronto looking to enhance energy efficiency and indoor comfort, installing an Amana heat pump could be the perfect solution. Renowned for their durability, energy savings, and year-round performance, Amana heat pumps are a top choice for Canadian homes. And when it comes to professional installation, Twintech Heating Cooling stands out as the trusted local expert. Why choose an Amana heat pump? Amana heat pumps are engineered for reliability and performance. Designed to handle Canada's changing seasons, these systems provide both heating and cooling using a single, energy-efficient unit. With features like advanced compressor technology, quiet operation, and high SEER ratings, Amana heat pumps offer long-term savings and consistent home comfort. Living in this area means dealing with cold winters and hot, humid summers. A professionally installed Amana heat pump by Twintech ensures year-round comfort, efficiently heats your home in the winter and cools it in the summer. Energy efficiency, lower utility bills thanks to cutting-edge inverter technology. Eco-friendly operation, reduced carbon footprint compared to traditional HVAC systems. Quiet performance, designed to run smoothly and silently, minimizing disruption. With over 30 years of experience serving Durham region and Toronto, Twintech Heating Cooling has built a reputation for quality, integrity, and customer-first service. Their team of licensed and certified technicians specializes in Amana heat pump installation and offers a complete, worry-free experience from consultation to final system testing. What you can expect from Twintech: free in-home estimates, honest, transparent pricing with no hidden fees, expert recommendations, customized heat pump solutions tailored to your home's size, layout, and energy goals. Professional installation, code-compliant, efficient, and clean installs that respect your home and time. Ongoing support, maintenance and repair services to keep your system running smoothly for years to come. Twintech Heating Cooling proudly serves residential and commercial clients across the Greater Toronto Area. Whether you're upgrading an outdated system or building a new home, they provide reliable solutions that fit your budget and lifestyle. Ready to improve your home's comfort and energy efficiency? Trust Twintech Heating Cooling for professional Amana heat pump installation. Contact Twintech Heating and Cooling for more information or a free quote. Government rebates and supplier rebates are available for a limited time.